Yeah, I got home and I'm very hungry. I'm now cooking the potato that I bought. Yeah, this is the potato that I just bought, because I have here the corned beef that I bought last week. This is just oil, onion, and then potato. More potato. I put some water. I put some salt, pepper, and I will wait for the potato to be softer. While we are waiting for that, we're going to unbox this package that I pick up from the post office. You know, buying online here in Australia is good. Never failed me yet. We will try it later. And that's it. Actually, I put too much water. Should be dry. But yeah, it's still good for me. I'm fine with that. Yeah, I don't know, it's already 3 o'clock. Look at this. Yeah, I am day off today, just one day off, because the other day off will be after 2 days. I don't know, I am thinking of going out to eat something or to see some people, but I'm kind of lazy this time. Okay, let me just wash first the, I have this wash. I need to wash this first. Hey, look at it. This is the macaroni leftover that I cook. It's been a week that I made this chicken macaroni salad. Yeah, so this is the leftover. I don't know, I've been eating this for maybe like 5 days, and then yeah, I feel that it is expired already. So I stopped eating it. We are going to eat in the Chinese restaurant. Yeah, we're going to eat in this restaurant. Yeah, the lady, she's preparing, cutting some meat. Yeah, we're going to sit outside. My phone is broken now because it fell down here. This is what I'm going to have: a fried rice and a spring roll. Here we're going now. That is a $17 meal. I am satisfied with my hunger. I satisfied my hunger. Oh, I forgot to switch off. They have their own plants here. There are so many bok choy and chili and this vegetable. As I can see from here, again there is a weekend market. I want to buy a coffee, but I don't know. I am sure that there is no coffee in any of this shop. My option is to go to the newly opened restaurant or go to the usual one. I am shy to walk my bike on the inside there, so we're going to go this way. Bravo, there's no people. Oh, there is one small. I need to get down here. In there are people who are playing like a drum. And nothing to lose. Oh, looks like a never-ending sidewalk parking. We're going to leave the bike there. Look, this park already closed because it's already 5:30 something, and the people, a lot of people there in the water. Here I have a coffee, and the lady is beautiful. The way she walk, And the way she look, she's beautiful. She looks a little older, but yeah, she looks very beautiful. It's already 6:30. The sun is still up there, and there's still a lot of people. Also in this beach, a lot of people is still. This is the little beach. Do you want to get up there? I feel like going, but you know, I'm a little tired. I was able to get up there before. I have maybe 3 videos that I went up there, and I've shown the whole almost whole Port Stephen, the Bay Area, and it's beautiful. Yeah, also that is the best place to see the sunset down there. Nice. I just don't have any water with me today, so you know, getting up there, I need some fuel, I need some water. There was a bushfire in this mountain before. Now the trees are going back to normal. They are growing like normal already. Greenery. Before it was color black. Look at this. This is still here. This carnival. Oh, look at that. There is just 2. There is just 2 lady up there. There are few people inside. In the Philippines, a place like this is super crowded. The last time I've seen a carnival was in where is that? In Cambodia. Yeah, we went to Cambodia, and there is a fiesta and a lot of people. Yeah, I have been showing you just the same place. The only difference now are the people. These days, so many people. There is a singer there, and the people are just sitting down there relaxing. Nice. We are going home now. Look at this caravan, nice. Very, very